afternoon. Welcome to the 2025 Investor Conference with Global Capital Network here in Orange County, California. We are live and we have over 125 accredited investors here, ranging from angel investors, venture capitalists, family offices, hedge funds, private equity firms. And today we are here with Nataraj from, please remind me the name of your company, LigronBio.
Yeah.
Welcome, Nataraj.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you. Yes, of course. So can you tell me a little bit about your company and why you're here?
Yeah, actually, LigronBio is a San Diego-based company. We are in Aquilia's Innovation Hub, Incubation Center. And we started in 2023 incorporation, and right now we are working on Alzheimer's space, developing a molecular glues, small molecules for the undruggable targets in Alzheimer's, because the reason is, as you know, that Alzheimer's is affecting over 55 million people worldwide. But the scary thing is that by 2060, it is going. There will be a 140 million deaths with a 9.5 trillion market.
Wow.
And the reason is basically, according to the statistics, between 2013 to 2017, the younger generations between 30 to 35 people, the age group people between 30 to 35, their death rate will be very high because of Alzheimer's. And as you know that recent statistics says that there is a boy with Alzheimer's with 19 years old, so got an Alzheimer's. So that is a very scary thing with Alzheimer's, and according to the statistics, it is going to be more than a COVID-19 by 2060. So the effect of Alzheimer's on the younger generations will be very high, and the death rate will be very high. So thinking this is in mind, LigronBio is developing small molecule drug molecules for the therapy for the undruggable targets, because as long as these undruggable targets in the biological system, it is very difficult for the therapy of Alzheimer's. So we developed a molecules, small molecules, and showing very good data on cell-based assays, and we are looking for investors who can help us in taking these lead molecules from the discovery phase to clinical trials. So that is our mission and also our vision to save the younger generations, because if you save one memory brain in future, is a future preservation, right? Otherwise, it is going to be impact the younger generations, which is very hard for the younger generation to lead their entire life with the dementia and also memory loss.
Yeah.
So this is the reason why we are developing this. Our mission is to develop these drug molecules for the therapy of Alzheimer's, and we are looking for seriously investors who can help us in this particular mission to save. Fight Alzheimer's and save younger generations tomorrow.
Yes, thank you so much for all that you're doing. Can you go a little bit more into your capital raising needs?
We are looking for, as a pre-seed round, we are looking for 1 million at the present. And after that, we are looking for 6 to 7 million for the seed round to take these lead molecules to the clinical trials. That's what our intention of coming to this particular conference, to meet with the investors and help, asking for help in raising for $1 million.
Wonderful, thank you. And can you tell me some plans for growth and expansion? Plans for growth and expansion.
Actually, in the next 5 years, we want to take our lead molecules to the clinic, one thing. And the second thing is we are also developing a platform called as a AI-TriMatrix Analyzer platform, where we want to integrate the computational chemistry, bioinformatics, and also experimental studies into the artificial intelligence to develop these drug molecules, because the rationalization of molecular glues is a very difficult task. So this is the reason why we are developing this particular therapy, this particular platform to rationalize the molecular glues. At the same time, we are also developing a biological assay kit that will help us in for better designing of the molecules and better efficacy for the Alzheimer's patients. So this is what actually in future, for sure, we want to move ahead and at least show some kind of a therapy for Alzheimer's to save the younger generations and also all the ages, not only younger generations but also all the ages.
Wonderful, thank you. And what would you like any investors to know? Anything else that you'd like investors to know from around the world?
Yeah, basically, we want mission-based investors, and because our intention is also to help the people, right? To help the people who are suffering from Alzheimer's, because I see these Alzheimer's patients every day. I can feel the pain of Alzheimer's patients. That is the reason why, if any investors, because all over the world right now, if you see every 3 seconds, there is a person, going to get a dementia every 3 seconds. So you can see the impact of Alzheimer's all over the world, right? So investors, what I request is all the investors, not only the biotech investors, but all the tech investors, because this is not for me or for for my company, but this is for their children and also grandchildren. Otherwise, if you don't stop this, it is going to be impact their children, grandchildren, and grandchildren, and completely destroy the society, right?
Yes.
Because as the younger generations is not in a memory loss, then it affects the entire life, and also it affects the economy. It affects the entire development of the nation.
Yes.
Not only the nation but also the world, right?
Yes.
So this is why investors should know that this is very important for investors to invest in this particular area.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Where can we find you? Where can we find LigronBio?
We are in Aquilia's Innovation Hub right now.
Yes.
You can check my website at www.ligronbio.com.
Yes.
Yeah, you can see all the details, and also our team. We have a very good advisory team, and also we have a very good strong research team who are working in the lab right now and generating the data on Alzheimer's.
Great. Thank you so much, Nataraj. It was a pleasure.
Yeah, thank you
for
very
all
much.
that you're doing.
Yeah, thank you very much.
We're going to go enjoy the rest of the conference, but thank you for tuning in to Global Capital Network Live. You can find more amazing CEOs like Nataraj and companies like LigronBio on our YouTube at Global Capital Network or our website, globalcapitalnetwork.com. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and we hope to see you at the next conference.